You searched how to buy shares of Novo Nordisk B A/S, a Danish pharmaceutical company known for diabetes care and insulin products listed on CBOE EU under Novo BCO. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and you will need to add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker novob.co to find the correct listing. Confirm the result matches the CBOE EU listing before proceeding. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart, checking company details and market to ensure this is the correct Novo Nordisk share. Tap Invest or Buy. Choose the monetary amount you wish to place, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled or executed when the market opens. And if there are not enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in the portfolio section. For the example link and more information, see the description below.